Remember when computers were built to last forever? What if they still can? I'm from DreamHardware. For over 40 years, since the late 1980s, we've lived and breathed legacy hardware. IBM PS2, XT, 286, 386, 486, Pentium, Sun, Old Mac, MFM, RLL, ESDI, IDE drives, CGA, EGA, VGA cards, floppy drives, and everything in between. Hard to find parts? We think otherwise. We hunt them down, test them rigorously, repair what others won't, especially power supplies. We clone unobtainable PSUs so your 1987 machine keeps running in 2026. From medical equipment and CNC controllers to collector's gems, we keep the classics alive. Whether you're a collector chasing nostalgia, an engineer keeping mission-critical gear online, or just refuse to let good hardware die, we've got the parts, the knowledge, and the repairs to make it happen. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next revival, repair, or rare find. DreamHardware, keeping yesterday's tech running tomorrow.